T30 Torx bit, you want to go ahead and remove the 8 screws holding the inner tailgate panel. Using a T40 Torx bit, you want to go ahead and remove these 2 Torx screws. Using a pair of pliers, we're going to go ahead and release this little retainer clip for this rod. Slide that back, and you pull the rod up and out. Now I want to pull the latch out from the tailgate. Take the new component, line that up, feed that down inside, and then we'll go ahead and install the 2 Torx bits here that hold us. Just going to get those started by hand. Install the rod into the latch mechanism. You want to press that down and install our clip, and install the rod clip in the middle here. Go ahead and tighten down the Torx bits on the gate. Install the rear cover. I'm going to start each of these by hand. Once you have all these in, go ahead and snug them down.